Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Click on Sketch and select Top Plane. Create a circle and enter specific value. Use line command to create the geometry profile which we need to extrude while adding the dimensions to it. Use offset command to give the thickness to profile. Once the profile is completed, now choose extrude command and enter the specific value and hit OK. Now select this face and click on Sketch, then choose Line command and create a center line from the circle's center point. Give the specific value to the line. Now create another circle on the other point of the line. Give specific values to the circle and extrude the profile according to drawing's value. Now select Offset Plane command and choose this face to make a new plane. Give specific distance value for plane. Once created, choose the plane and click on Sketch. Use Project command to create reference points of the circle and profile on the current sketch. Create two lines from this point to the another cylinder. Make sure to keep it tangent to the cylinder's face. For making tangent lines, use Constraints command from the toolbar and select line and the circle to make their relationship tangent. Once the profile is completed, use Extrude command to give specific thickness to the plate. Now select Mid Plane command from the Construct toolset. and select the two faces to create a middle plane between the two selected faces. Once the plane is created, now click on the plane and choose sketch. We'll now create the rib according to the drawing. Once the rib profile is completed, use extrude command to give the specific thickness to the profile. Now we have our final cut remaining at the cylinder's face. For this, select this face and click on sketch. Create a line vertical from the circle center point. Offset that line on both sides according to the thickness. Once the profile we require is achieved, then use the extrude command and cut the profile from the body. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blogs for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.